Bonjour and welcome to part 3, the final movement of your digestive symphony. By now, you've learned to read your gut and support it with the right habits. This last part is about making it sustainable, staying consistent, managing stress and emotions, eating mindfully, sleeping well, and keeping your body in a gentle daily flow. This is not perfection, it's harmony. It's about living with more lightness, clarity, and confidence, not just for 1 week, but for the long term. So your gut is the maestro of your well-being. And when it stays in tune, everything else follows. It's like an orchestra. Let's finish strong and step into a healthier rhythm of life. And I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you so much.
Hi, and welcome to the final lesson. Over the past sessions, you've learned what's really happening inside your body, not just the symptoms, but the deeper causes behind fatigue, bloating, cravings, brain fog, and low energy. And today we bring everything together. This session is the bridge between understanding your symptoms and finally changing them. My goal is simple: to help you move from frustration to freedom, gently, clearly, and sustainably, so that you can start feeling balanced, lighter, and energized again. So most people don't stay stuck because they're lazy or lack discipline. They stay stuck because their biology is overwhelmed. And every day you wake up hoping today will be different, but slowly the old signs return, like bloating after meals, afternoon crashes, cravings, irritability, mental fog, discomfort at night, and then it repeats. This cycle isn't just life, it's not age, it's not lack of willpower. It's your gut, liver, and nervous system quietly saying, I'm tired, I'm overloaded, I need support. So when people feel uncomfortable, they often turn to quick fixes like tea detoxes, cutting carbs, skipping meals, trying random supplement, applying pressure and guilt. But restriction doesn't heal the body, it stresses it even more. So real transformation begins when you shift from punishing your body to supporting your body. Because your gut doesn't need extreme diets. It needs nourishment, rhythm, consistency, gentle cleansing, emotional calm, better sleep. And when you work with your biology instead of against it, everything starts to shift. Transformation is often subtle at first. It's not dramatic or loud. It's quiet, steady, and deeply reassuring. It looks like meals that sit comfortably, less bloating, more stable energy, waking up clearer, fewer mood swings, and feeling more yourself again. Clothes fitting better, and feeling lighter inside your own body. These small shifts build on one another. They reflect a body that is finally working with you and not fighting against you. And this is the beginning of gut, liver, and brain harmony. This program is not extreme. It's not a crash detox or a trendy challenge. And it works because it aligns with your biology. And over 21 days, we create the conditions your body needs to heal. It's going to strengthen natural cleansing, supporting liver detox pathway gently and consistently. It's going to repair the gut lining. It's going to reduce inflammation and restore balance. It's going to restore digestive stress as well. You're going to have less bloating, less heaviness, and so much more comfort. It's going to support hormonal balance and mood. And just remember that over 90% of serotonin is made in your gut. It's going to help you improve sleep and stress resilience because a calmer gut leads to a calmer mind. Your body already knows how to heal. And this program simply removes what's blocking it. You can find detoxes everywhere, but most are going to be too restrictive, too extreme, too short, too stressful, sometimes even painful, not realistic for real life. So this one is completely different because it's Mediterranean inspired with whole food, herbs, fiber, good fats. It is science backed. It's going to support your gut, liver, and brain together. It is structured with recipes, portion guidance, and meal templates. It is supported so you are not alone. You have guidance. It is holistic. It's very practical as well because it fits into your work, travel, and family life. And it is very valuable because you are going to keep 36 recipes, tools, and education for life. This is a program built for real people with real lives. Did you know that one of the biggest reasons people fail with health programs is simple? They have no support. In this holistic body cleansing program, you get daily support, you get coaching, structure, someone who understands your challenges, someone who walks with you step by step, so that you are not guessing. You're never going to be alone. You are guided from beginning to end with accountability and clarity. And for many people, this is the missing piece. And if you are listening and something in you is saying, this is what I've been needing and what I've been looking for so long, then the next step is very simple. Book your free 45-minute clarity call. And in this call, we go through your symptoms, look at your routines, identify your triggers, understand what's keeping your gut and liver under pressure, clarify your goals. There is absolutely no pressure and no obligation, just clarity and a personalized direction forward. Just remember that one conversation can truly change the way you approach your health. So thank you very much for being part of this journey. And just remember, your health is not a side project. It's the foundation of your energy, your purpose, your joy, and your future. Whether you join the program now or later, please know this. Your body is not your enemy. It's your partner. And when you support it, it supports you back 100 times over. So whenever you're ready, I'm here to walk the journey with you gently, intelligently, and holistically. Thank you so much. Hey, so this is your moment. You've gained awareness, clarity, and understanding. Now the next step is choosing momentum. Your body is ready for change, and you don't have to do it alone. So thank you so much for spending this time with me. I look forward to meeting you personally on your clarity call. Chat soon. Bye.